You can't trust everybody, but you can trust us to put on a good time. Join us for Food Truck Night, September 19th.
We'll make sure you pull up hungry and roll out happy. We're giving away free ice cream to the first 150 kiddos that come and visit our booth. So make sure you send your kiddos our way.
Watch local celebrities make a splash in our dunk tank.
But make sure to dunk responsibly.
Bite to the beat with our lineup of entertainment.
So remember, join us between 3 to 8 p.m. here at the Wenatchee Valley College.
It's gonna be a trucking good time. Huzzah!